Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Kayla and I'm back with a video today. I just wanted to plan makeup. I got a bunch of new makeup and I just wanted to sit down, kind of do like a first impressions, if you will, or whatever you want to call it, on some products. These products aren't new on the market, but they're new to me, so I just wanted to try it out, do a full face for you guys. And if you're interested in watching, then let's get into the video. I've got this LA Girl Shady Slim Brow Pencil in the color medium brown. I picked this up because it reminds me a lot of the Anastasia pencil, and I love that pencil, but girl, $20 for eyebrow pencil. I mean, they all do the same thing pretty much, I feel like. Let me not say that just yet, but I don't know. I hope I didn't speak too soon on this. It's kind of weird. Yeah, I don't know if I like this. It's almost like too waxy or something. I don't know. I feel like the Anastasia one is like a little bit drier. I don't know. This is being weird. It's like pulling out my eyebrow hairs. That's about as good as it's gonna get. I'm not feeling this brow pencil. It broke, it's breaking apart, it's waxy, oily, I don't know. It's like all over the place. It's a mess. Will I be purchasing this again? No. There's a lot of brow pencils out there. I'm sure there's some cheaper versions that are better than this. Either way it goes, you can find a good brow pencil for a good price. This one just wasn't it. I'm about to do my eyes first. I never do my eyes first, but feeling like eyes first today. I'm taking this old crusty paint pot from MAC and laying low. Now, story on this. I went to MAC to get the soft ochre paint pot that everybody uses. Somehow I ended up with this one. I don't know. Weird. I don't know what look I'm gonna do. Kind of just winging it. Okay, I don't know how much I'm supposed to use of this, but yeah. Alright, I'm super duper hyped about this palette that I'm about to use. At least I think I'm about to use it, but this is the It's My Ray Ray by BH Cosmetics. Look at it. These colors are beautiful. I think I'm gonna take the color Connie, and it's like a deep plum purple. Yes. Bomb. And these are creamy. These are super creamy. I've never used BH Cosmetics shadows before, but after swatching all of these, I'm like, I'm gonna take Connie. I'm using this Anastasia brush, the little brush that comes in all the palettes. Connie's pretty. Connie's a beast. I've been wanting it for a long time. I just don't like ordering makeup. Does anybody else feel like that? I don't like ordering makeup. I need to see it in person, in the flesh. I'm just packing this on. I look like I have like a black eye. Oh. Wrong brush. Okay, I'm gonna take the color Friday. It's like a magenta. It's a little deeper than a magenta. Let me see. Oh, shit. It's like a berry, raspberry color. Okay. This is pretty. I suck at eyeshadow. This is probably the thing that I hate doing the most about my makeup. But I want to get better. We can always get better. That's why I stick to natural looks where it's just like you don't have to spend all day doing this. I mean, because of course I want this to look good, but it's like, I got other stuff to do. I still have a whole face. The cool thing about this palette too is the bottom half is like highlights and contours. It's a handy dandy notebook, handy dandy palette. If you like the colors in here, you could use just this and take this on the go. It's pretty convenient. I like it. Alright, I'm gonna prime my face. For primer, I have this cute little Smashbox primer, a mini one. This is soft. This is a Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer. And a lot of people like this. It's oil free, which is good. I get oily in my T-zone. So, the primer feels nice. I just put it mainly in my T-zone. I don't know, I guess we'll see. For foundation, I'm late, super late. I'm like embarrassed I'm this late on this foundation. But this is, wait. The NARS Natural Radiant Foundation. I'm ready. I'm ready. I got the color Tahoe. This is like everybody's favorite foundation. And okay, I've tried it in the store before. Well, just like swatched it in the store on my face, and I just wasn't feeling it. And after that, I was just like, okay, no, I'm cool. Like, I've never used a NARS foundation. I'm more so on the drugstore end of foundations. Like, I like drugstore foundations. I don't think I've ever bought a high-end foundation. Actually, yes, I have Fenty. That's the only one that I found I like for my skin. My first time opening. What? I thought it had a pump. Okay, I'm gonna just use those 4 pumps and see. Just using my Real Technique sponge. I want to try a new sponge, but I just don't know. Yeah, this is my shade. OMG. This is giving me life. Now, I stayed away from this foundation because, you know, when I hear radiant, I'm like, go the other way. Because usually, anything that's like dewy or radiant or glowy or anything like that, I don't know. My skin is dry. I mean, my skin is oily most of the time. I don't really like foundations that are dewy. I kind of like mattes, but in the wintertime my skin gets dry. So plus I'm just like over the matte. I don't know, does anybody else feel like that? I want to glow. I think I'm gonna just leave it like this. I'm pretty sure I could build it up, but I like the finish of this. I like the coverage. This is nice. I got a new concealer as well. This is the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind concealer. I've tried this before too. I just don't remember how it worked. This is like way back when. But the shade range back then sucked. They've come out with new colors since then. I got the color Sand Sable. I think I'm gonna just, golly. Oh, I just, whoa. You don't need to twist a lot. All this just, hey, I'm not gonna use a lot. Just for the simple fact that this looks really light. Girl, what? This is like white. It looked right. I'm like, why does something smell like peppermint? It's this beauty blender. what I washed it with. It has a peppermint scent. I'm like, what? Okay. This is nice, the formula. It's pretty creamy. I'm gonna let this side sit. This is pretty light, but I'm gonna stick to it. Yeah, I'm gonna let this side sit and dry a little bit because I feel like I spread it too thin. Trying all of these new products at once could be either really, really good or a disaster. To set, I'm using the Born This Way powder. This is in translucent. Okay, this is smooth. It's very, very, very fine. I like that in a powder. Wow. Okay, I just added some shadow to my under eye. I added the inner corner, little highlight, some lashes, a wing, my contour. Okay, I've got a few options for highlight. There's the highlight that's in this palette, and then I have this ColourPop highlight. This is in the shade, or the name is Wisp. I swatched this in the store, and it was so buttery. So this is Wisp, and this is Radiant out of the BH Cosmetics shadow palette. First, I'm gonna spray my face though, because I have not set my face yet. I've got this Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. I've used this one other time. I used it on New Year's Eve, and it was okay, I guess. I didn't really pay attention to if it helped my makeup hold up or not, but and so when you spray versus just spraying a regular spray bottle, like you hold this down and it'll be a, you know, it's a continuous spray like the name. It smells good. That's pretty. I might have overdone it. If I ever put too much, I like to just go on with my finger, and that kind of diffuses everything and tones it down a bit. Cause I don't like a crazy highlight for real. Oh yeah, Wisp is it. Wisp is nice. You can't see it when you're looking forward, you just see it when you turn. Okay, honey. I've got these two ColourPop lipsticks. I was looking at the MAC lipsticks and I was just like, do I really want to spend that on some lipsticks? $18? Nah. And then I found these and I was like, yes. Layover. So Appy, Layover. They're both so pretty. And this formula, y'all, is bomb. Like, I put these on my lips and I was like, so Layover is kind of like a deep mauve, not deep, but like a mauvey pink. And then this one is kind of more like a peachy pink. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with this NYX lip pencil. It's basically like the same color as my lips. Basically the same color as Layover. It's called Ever. And I'm gonna take Layover. It's like practically the same color as the lip liner. Fenty Gloss Bomb in Fussy. My favorite lip gloss formula of all time. They're just so glossy. Baby, she's feeling herself, okay? Alright, you guys, this is what I came up with. And I like it. I think it's pretty. I like the way everything came together. I'm loving this eye. I have a sparkle. But anyways, if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to keep up with my channel and see other content that I post, please subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.